Wagwan
massive. I don't know, say your girl Whitney.
And it's your boy Jessie.
And we are back with another video.
Banger.
Today's video is, guys, as you all know, if you're in a relationship where you're married, or just, you know, a shock up, as Jamaicans say, there's always problems or pet peeves or issues. No relationship is perfect. So today we're gonna like discuss and talk about the things we don't like about each other.
It's always good to talk about what you don't like about each other, because you don't want to assume that your partner likes everything you're doing. So, which
is not the case, because nobody's perfect.
Right. Straight into it. Ladies first. You go ahead.
Ladies first. All right.
What is your number one thing? The first thing.
So the first thing is on my list that I don't like about Jessie. He's always farting on me, guys. He always a poop on me. As me can't sleep in peace, me can't lie down in peace, me can't sit down in peace. It's like he don't care. He's always farting on me, like every time. And this is the thing though, like he don't even like turn away from me. He turned towards me and fart. Like, I hate that so much. It just irks me, okay? I don't like that. And he knows it, but he does it anyways. So that's my first thing.
She farting in her sleep, yo. That's one of my things.
No, I don't. No, I don't. No, I don't.
She just don't.
Don't get on here a lot like that.
She just don't call it. What you call it? Like, what you call it?
I don't fart in my sleep.
Oots or whatever they call it. What they call it?
What? Poop. What?
It's like oots or something.
I don't know what you talking about.
Whatever.
I don't do that, y'all. He lied on me. He the fart master. All day, every day.
I think that's a man's thing in general. So, you know.
So you gotta fart on me though. You can't fart in the air or somewhere else. Oh, nasty self. Anyways.
Okay, I understand that. I get that. Alright.
So number 2 on my list is he takes forever to get ready. And then the thing is, he be rushing me like, you need to hurry up and get up and get dressed. And then I hurry up and get dressed. And then he take 99 years for him to get dressed. And then, like, when I get upset, he don't understand why I'm upset. I'm upset because you rushing me to get ready. And when I do, you take forever and I got to wait on you. I got to go downstairs, sit in the car and wait on you because I am getting impatient. You know, I don't like that. And he knows that.
I mean, I'm a pretty boy. What can I say? You know, you gotta.
Pretty boy.
It takes time. It takes time for, you know. For
you know what? I ain't even gonna say it.
It takes time to.
Whatever, Jessie.
Art and beauty takes
Well,
time.
don't rush me then. You get ready first and then say, okay, babe, go ahead and get ready. Because you know I don't take forever to get ready like you do.
You're right, you're right. Alright. My second thing, y'all. I don't like the way she folds chips. I do not like the way she folds chips, y'all.
Are you kidding me?
She folds the chips inwards like this.
That's how you fold chips.
No,
it's called folding.
You fold chips this way.
That is not folding chips.
You can put a little bam over it. But when she folds chips, they be so stale.
That's a lie.
A big old hole in there just because you just press them down. Like.
No, when people are fold chips, them go to them hold the bag and fold it in so, and I eat that.
Let me grab a bag of chips so y'all can see what I'm talking about real quick. This is retarded. Okay, she pushed the chips in like that. That is retarded.
So.
No, that's not how you fold chips.
That's how you fold chips, Mr. Expert.
Chips go like this.
And then it's gonna unfold. That don't make no sense. It's gonna unfold.
This is how you fold chips.
No. It's gonna open right back up.
You put a roll bam right over it.
No. Look at this. It's gonna open right back up like that.
You put a roll bam over it.
No, you fold chips so.
No.
Yes, I fold it in so and I eat that. And it now walk back again. You understand? See that?
Bro, all our chips. You can see right through there.
No, you just opened that up like you just opened that. It wasn't even like that.
All our chips be stale because
you so extra.
Alright, go ahead. Number 3.
Number 3. I think this MF got a biting fetish or whatever it might be. I don't like it. He likes to bite, y'all. He even bites my eyelashes off. Like he sit there in the bed and bite my eyelashes off. Like
not with my teeth. I just cut on my lips, you know, like that. And I don't bite you hard.
I don't like it though. He be biting my cheek and stuff. Like I don't like that.
I just like biting. I don't bite her hard though.
I ain't said you bite me hard, but it's just I don't like it.
Who don't want to bite this nice little face right here?
Get away from me. But yeah, y'all, he be biting my eyelashes off. I'm pretty sure he'll bite my wig off too if he had the chance. Go ahead.
All right, number 3. My number 3. Ketchup goes in the refrigerator.
No, it goes in the cupboard.
Ketchup goes in the refrigerator.
No, it goes in the cupboard.
That's the problem right there. Y'all see that? That's the problem right there. When you open the ketchup, it's supposed to go in the refrigerator. She likes to put it in the cabinet.
In the cupboard.
That's the problem.
That's not a problem. Ketchup go in our cupboard.
Number 4.
Anyways, number 4. So, y'all seen a video he did already, waking me up, right? Spraying me with water and all that. I hate when this MF, he gets up really early in the morning, and cause he's up, he expect me to get up. Like, I don't like that. I don't like that. Like, let me sleep. You got your sleep. You got enough sleep that you up. Okay, let me sleep until I'm ready to get up. No. When he up, he think everybody's supposed to be up with him. So, guess what he do? He started doing all kinds of little petty stuff, spraying water, you know, pulling the sheet off of me, slapping me with the pillow like a little kid, and I'm trying to sleep. I don't like that.
I mean, we only need 6 hours of sleep a day.
No, you need 6 hours. A girl need a little bit more than that.
We'll need 6
I don't
hours.
want 6 hours of sleep.
I usually wake you up at about 8 hours, though.
Jesse, you wake me up like 7, 8 o'clock in the morning. What am I supposed to do at that time anyway?
Whatever I'm doing.
If it ain't about the paper or God or family, I don't need to get up that early. It's no reason to.
All my morning people, comment below, let me know. It's not a lot of morning people.
No.
It's not a lot, but I'm one of those morning people.
I don't like that, y'all. So.
Alright. One of my other problems. Problem number 4. I don't like about her is she had her lights on in the daytime. What's up with that?
So, okay. Like weirdo. Like in the bathroom.
You just have random lights on.
If I can't see, I need light. What's wrong with that?
Man,
but it's not like I keep them on.
Open up the curtain. That's it.
Jesse, like right now, it's winter time, y'all, and it's really bleaky outside. It's not always bright and sunny. So I have to use the lights, especially in the bathroom. We don't have a bathroom window to open no windows, so I got to use the lights.
I don't know. It still bugs me when it's bright outside and we got lights on in the house. That's irritating. I don't know about y'all. All right.
Number 5. I hate when we both comfortable in the bed and this mug say, could you go give me something to drink? You wait until we both comfortable. We just leaving out the living room and the kitchen, and we get in the bed all comfortable, snuggled up and everything, and he go, can you give me something to drink? No, I don't want to get up neither. Just like you comfortable, you don't want to get up. Why you think I want to get up? And then he gonna use that, you don't love me, if I don't go get it.
Only use
Is that right? That ain't right.
Only sometimes. But if I feel like you actually sleeping or you tired, then, you know, I'll leave you alone.
Lies.
Truths.
The lies he tells.
Truths. Alright, number 5 for me, y'all. And I'm pretty sure a lot of men out there can relate to this one. Because this one, this should have been my number 1 right here.
I need to hear this. What's that?
I can't stand when she wake up from a dream and take it out on me. She have a dream about me cheating and stuff. And then I wake up my eyes and she's staring in my face.
Look, dream come true, yeah? It not always walk straight sometimes, but dreams always come true. And I believe in dreams. So if my dream say I do something, of course I need to know.
I ain't got time for that.
Whatever.
She keep me busy enough. You keep me busy enough. That's it.
That's so cute. But if a girl have a dream, it's for a reason. Just like if your mother dreams a fish, you know say I breed, right? Same thing.
No.
Yes. Anyways, what number we at? 6?
Number 6.
Number 6. I hate when he takes stuff out and use it and don't put it back. Like the ironing board, for instance. Or the iron. he take it out the closet and don't put it back. It sit there for days. If I don't move it, like if I sit there, I'm like, I'm not gonna move it. I'm gonna let him move it. It'll sit there for days, y'all, until I still got to move it. He don't put it back, okay? And I don't like that.
Number 6 for me, I don't like when she forget to cut the oven off. Every time she cook, she forget to cut the oven off. I mean, I gotta remind you, babe, you cut the oven off? Oh, it's getting hot.
It's not all the time, though. It's just sometimes.
Man, you can cut the oven off a lot.
Sometimes.
Number 7.
Number 7. I hate when I'm sleeping and he's on his video games being loud and just so inconsiderate. Like, he don't even care that I'm sleeping. He be, man, and all that while I'm asleep. While I'm asleep, y'all. But when he sleep, I be so quiet. I don't even be walking hard. I try my best to do everything quiet. You know what I'm saying?
I have my headphones in.
Headphones don't stop you from screaming. I'm talking about you. You talk loud, you shout, you scream, you and all that. Who want to hear that when they sleep? And then when I say, babe, could you? I'm not even loud. Yes, you are. When you got headphones in, you don't hear how you sound because the sound in your hair is already loud. Everybody know that. I don't like that.
And you don't be loud?
When?
When I'm trying to sleep?
When? No, I don't.
Talking to Kalila?
No, I don't. I don't be loud.
Girl, what? What? Who? No.
Quit lying on her. And
that's how y'all be.
Because I don't know.
Y'all be loud on the phone.
No, we don't. Lies.
Number 7 for me, it kind of goes with leaving the stove on. You always setting a fire alarm off too. This how you know the alarm finna go off. This is what she say first. This is the first thing she say. Babe, open the patio door. That mean, uh-oh, the smoke alarm finna go off next.
So let me explain that one, okay? We live in an apartment, okay? And it's not no ventilation system, pretty much. That little thing over the stove, it don't work. And especially in the wintertime, you can't cook with the door open. It's cold outside. You got to keep the door closed. So when you cooking, especially when you like doing high heat cooking, it's going to be a little bit of something. You can't control that. You know what I'm saying? So that's not my fault.
Sure.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Number 8. I don't like when I'm talking to him about something and he ignores me. And then when I get upset that he ignoring me, he get mad because he don't like that I'm getting upset. Does that make sense to y'all? This could have been avoided if he just listened to what I was saying. And then this the thing. It's not like I say it 1 time, 2 times, or 3 times. I repeat it over and over and he still don't hear it. And then when I'm like, never mind, that's when he like, what you say, babe? I'm sorry, I'm gonna listen now. And then I'm like, I don't want to talk about it no more. Because I repeated myself too many times. Then he like, well, what you getting mad for? And that's unnecessary. You don't need to get mad.
Do you what am I trying to say?
What you trying to say?
Do you fix negativity with negativity? So if I cannot hear you, or
you can hear me,
I get sidetracked, or
you can hear me
listening.
Well, why was you
right
listening?
For you to get mad though?
Yeah, because I had to repeat myself more than once. And then you still don't pay attention. You asked me to repeat, and then you still don't pay attention.
Eventually.
Do the same thing, still don't pay attention. Like, of course I'm going to get upset. I'm not going to be like, oh, babe, you're not paying attention. That's so cute. No, you need to pay attention.
Since we're on the topic, a lot of times anyway.
What?
She be talking a lot. She likes, you know how females are. They talk a lot. And most of the time I'm just like, okay. Oh yeah, yeah. Don't know what she just said, but sometimes what she's saying right now, I get caught up. I don't be listening, but I'm trying to listen a little bit better.
Do you hear this BS? Do y'all hear this? Do y'all hear this though?
Number 8 for me. I don't like when she wrap up like a cocoon and take the blanket.
So?
I'd rather she wrap up, take all the blanket, and I'm sitting there cold.
Okay.
See how it is? See how she do me, y'all?
If he was on me, he would be in the blanket too, right?
I be on you. That's where I get my heat from.
Shut up, Jessie. Another thing that I don't like.
Number 9
is him always driving reckless and then complain about my driving. And I don't drive like he do. Okay? I don't chase cars for a living like he do. So of course I don't drive reckless like him. But he scrutinizes every little thing and judges every little thing I do when I drive. For no reason.
That's because I care. Okay? It's do as I say, not as I do. You know? I care about your safety. I'm trained to drive at high rates of speed. I'm trained to drive the way I do because of emergencies.
Whatever.
But she drive like you a speed racer. You drive.
I do not.
Speed racer. Like, that's what you
I drive normal. Okay, he lying on me. All right, I drive so careful.
I think we talked about your speed before.
I drive so careful, y'all. I need a plaque or a certificate.
She know 2 speeds: stop and 100. That's it.
Lies.
That's it.
Lies.
We talked about this before. I remember.
You lying on me, and you know it.
All right, number 9, y'all. My number 9. I don't like how she get hyped up so fast. Let me explain that to you real quick. For example, right? Last night, it was an app on my phone. It's a new app that I downloaded. It's like a little voice reading app, you know what I'm saying? Just, like, you know, it's kind of like Audible. What is it called? Audible. You know, when they, you know, it's like, you know, read out loud and jump. This app, she don't know what it is, so it don't look familiar to her. She never seen it before, so she think it's something else. It's like, what's this app, babe? Like, nah, it ain't nothing important. So to her, oh, it ain't nothing. That means it's something. So now she getting all excited. It ain't nothing. Well, click on it. Let me see it. I'm like, no, just leave it alone. And now she's like, give me the phone. And start taking it and trying to fight over the phone. I'm like, why do you get so? And she do it all the time. She get excited.
No.
And hyper over nothing.
That ain't how it went, y'all. Quit lying.
You be getting excited.
I asked him 3 times. I said, babe, what's this app? Because I seen it. I'm like, oh, I never seen that before. That's a new one. I'm like, babe, what's this app? Oh, nothing. You know, he snickers. So when he snickers, it means it's something. You know what I'm saying? Like, he just don't want to tell me what it is. So I'm like, babe, what's this app? Why you acting like that? Nothing. With this smirk, okay? So you gonna show it to me? No, it's nothing. Just leave it alone. So now I'm curious. Like, okay, you laughing. Like, you being suspicious about it. You don't want me to see it. So it must be something, you know. So I need to see. Which is right. So finally I did, you know, try to get his phone or whatever, and then he tried to like take it back. So now I'm like, okay, I need to know what it is now. If you try to fight me for the phone, damn near, you know. So of course I need to know. Ain't nothing wrong with that.
Alright. Okay.
Number 10. I don't like when I make the bed and he messes up the bed. Like, I just got done making the bed. We out the bed for the day until tonight, and I make the bed, straighten up the room, you know, make it look fresh and new, like you at a hotel or something, whatever. But this MF decides that, oh, what a nice bed. Let me just go ahead and mess it up. Like, why? Why would you do that to me? Like, my efforts were for nothing then because you just mess it up.
The bed is made to be messed up.
It wasn't time for it to be messed up.
But you enjoy fixing it, don't you?
Not after you mess it up?
I thought she enjoyed fixing the bed, so I messed it up. So you fix it again.
Do y'all hear this BS? You see what I got to deal with on a daily? No, you not.
I'm joking. I'm joking.
I should bite your nose.
Don't bite my nose. My eyes are super dry right now because this light is so bright.
You need to put your stuff in your eye.
Bright as heck.
What's your number 10?
Number 10. For me, number 10, y'all. Last one, final one. And I'm pretty sure, I don't know, maybe not everybody go through this one, but I know I do. I don't like when she asks me, something, and she do the opposite. So for example, she'd be like, babe, do you think I should do short hair or long hair? I said, babe, you should do long hair. She said, nah, I feel like doing short hair. So what's the point? What's the point of that?
Just because I ask your opinion don't mean I have to do what you say. It's just an opinion. Everybody can have an opinion. Doesn't mean you have to force yourself to do what the person suggested. It's just a suggestion.
Those are fighting words. That's how people get in fights. Right there.
Whatever, Jessie.
But anyway, this is the end of those. We have said all 10. Correct, Mundo? Yes, we have.
So, if y'all out there going through the same thing that we going through, go ahead and comment down below. Let us know, like, certain little pet peeves that you don't like about your spouse.
Or that you relate to. Anything that we said that you can relate to, let us know.
Please, because I need to know that I'm not crazy and other people going through the same thing. If I'm crazy, you made me that way.
Anyways, it is very important to talk to your spouse, your friends, anybody you consider yourself close with. You want to know if they have any issues with you. That way you can work on those issues. So when we talk about this, we make a video about it. We having fun with it. But now we know things to work on, because some of the stuff she said I didn't know that bothered her. And hopefully now she would keep the ketchup in the fridge.
I will not. That's not a legit reason to get mad about some damn ketchup. Are you kidding me? And some chips. Talk about some, I don't do the chips right. I do the chips right. You don't do the chips right.
Who's the right way? Watch, you gonna go in the comment section and say, sorry, Whitney, we gotta go with Jessie on this one. Watch.
Whatever. We'll see. Alright, guys.
Happy New Year's, everybody.
Yes.
Hopefully everybody's doing good, and bless you all. So I hope everybody have a great New Year. 2021 is going to be a wild year, I can already tell. So
yes,
let's see how
hopefully
it goes.
It's better than 2020. We're praying, but the way it started off already, I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know.
Well, good luck, everybody. Hopefully everybody having a good day, and hopefully we made your night a little better. We love you guys. We love those who love us.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
And you'll have good luck for the rest of the year.
Till next time.
Till next time.